You may not believe this, but a single scoop before bedtime could make a massive difference in how your body feels tomorrow morning. It's a little-known trick that can help aging muscles recover while you sleep, and most seniors have never even heard of it. That one scoop? It's not a supplement, it's not a medication. It's something you probably already have in your kitchen, and it might just be the easiest health habit you've never tried. As we age, something starts to happen inside our bodies. After the age of 60, our muscles don't bounce back like they used to. Even normal activities like walking, climbing stairs, or getting out of bed in the morning can feel like a struggle. This condition is known as sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And the most dangerous part, it sneaks up slowly until one day your body just doesn't feel like it used to. But here's the good news. Your muscles still can recover. They just need the right kind of fuel at the right time. And that's where this bedtime scoop comes in. Experts say nighttime is the best window for muscle recovery. That's when your body naturally heals, repairs tissue, and builds strength. But if you go to bed without the proper nutrients, your body doesn't have the tools it needs to do the job. Enter peanut butter, or, more specifically, 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, or a scoop of slow-digesting casein protein, about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Here's why it works. Peanut butter contains healthy fats and a small amount of protein, which helps release amino acids slowly into your bloodstream throughout the night. Casein protein works the same way. It digests slowly, feeding your muscles for hours. This steady supply of nutrients helps your body prevent overnight muscle breakdown, reduces soreness in the morning, and can even improve your overall sleep quality. No tossing and turning, no waking up stiff, just better recovery and more strength over time. Now, don't expect to wake up looking like a bodybuilder. That's not the goal. The real benefit is staying independent longer, being able to walk without pain, lift groceries without help, or get up from a chair with confidence. Thousands of seniors who try this habit say they notice real changes in just a few weeks. More energy in the morning, less muscle cramping at night, and a stronger, steadier body overall. But a few quick safety notes. If you have peanut allergies or kidney issues, this may not be for you. In that case, always check with your doctor before starting any new health routine. And if you're using casein protein, make sure to choose a clean, low-sugar option designed for nighttime use. So, what do you have to lose? It takes just 10 seconds before bed. 1 scoop, 1 habit, and your muscles could start thanking you in just days. Don't let age slow you down. Fuel your body the smart way while you sleep. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to My Doctor Hub for more simple, science-backed health tips just like this.